In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to an email in Google Drive. Now, this is a very handy skill to have, especially if you're frequently sharing files and documents through Gmail. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First off, the whole journey starts in your Gmail inbox. So, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your Gmail account. Once you've accessed your inbox, the next step will be to start composing a new email. For this, look towards the upper left corner of your Gmail interface. There you'll spot a button labelled Compose. Give that a click. This will open a new email draft window on the lower right side of your inbox. With your email draft open, you're going to notice several icons at the bottom of this draft window. These include options like attachments, emojis, and more. What you're looking for is the Google Drive icon, which looks like a small triangular symbol. Click on this Google Drive icon and it will open up a window showing all your Google Drive files. This icon is crucial because it lets you insert documents directly from your Google Drive into your email, making it unnecessary to download them first to your device. Once you have that Google Drive window pulled up, it's time to select the file you wish to attach to your email. Navigate through your folders and find the document you want to share. You can simply click on the desired file to select it. At this point, it's always a good idea to double check that you've chosen the correct file, just to prevent any mishaps when you send your message. After ensuring you have the right document selected, your next step will involve deciding how you want to share your file. Right there in the window, you'll see an option that says Add as Link. Click on this to attach your document as a link in the email. Adding files as links is beneficial, particularly if your document is large or if you want the recipient to have access to the latest version of a shared file, as Google Drive will always provide them with the most updated version. And there you have it, all the steps you need to attach a document to an email using Google Drive. This method keeps things easy and ensures that you can send documents swiftly without facing size restrictions. That's the power of integrating Google Drive with your Gmail. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.